Hello, and welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. My name is Paul. So the other day, I'm checking out my social media, my Instagram and my Facebook and stuff like that, and I came across this message in a video. So I went ahead and played it, and I want to share that with you.
Hey, this is Luke from Chaotic Customs. I'm calling you out, Paul, from Diecast Graveyard. You do pretty fine work, but you're not ready for me.
So I says, the kid's got a lot of balls. He's only 9 years old. So I says, why not? And then I says, if you happen to have a son or daughter who likes to do these customs, go ahead and get them involved with this build. It's going to be a lot of fun. The subject is Run Whatcha Brung. The only stipulation is that you have to use the Hot Wheels Mini Cooper. All right? But you can make anything out of it. You can make a gasser, you can make a lowrider, you can make a post-apocalyptic, whatever you wish. It doesn't matter. Now this is also open up to all the other builders such as Somo Diecast and Kuda's Diecast Customs and Diecast Pirate and Shorter's Diecast and everybody else that's got Diecast in their name, and even if you don't. But this is going to be a lot of fun. Okay, here's the stipulations, here's the time frame, and here's the rules. You must use the Hot Wheels Mini Cooper. That's pretty much the only strong stipulation. You can build any category. You can build a gasser, a lowrider, a post-apocalyptic, a race car, a weathered car, whatever you wish. You must complete the build by 31 March 2022. Send all glamour shots to diecastgraveyard@gmail.com and we'll do a recap. Now here's the other cool thing. Anybody that's 15 and below, there will be a prize given for the best car voted on by you, the subscribers. There will also be a prize given for adults. So anybody over 15. So again, if you want to participate in this, this is going to be a lot of fun. Now, I will encourage you, though, to send your car when you're done to Luke. And I'm going to send mine to Luke. But let's have some fun with this. Now, you don't have to send the car to him, but it's really, really cool if you do. So this is going to be a really fun challenge. But you know what? I'm going to do a challenge within a challenge. I'm going to call out my Diecast friends, and you'll see their names scrolling up to the side of me there. So go ahead and participate in this. And like I said, it would really be cool if you sent this car to this young man who obviously loves the hobby. His dad is encouraging it, and it looks like it's going to be fun. Let's see what you guys come up with, okay? And like I said, I got a pretty cool prize for the adults, and we'll come up with something really cool for the under 15 crowd. So let's participate. Do me a favor, in the comments, put your intention to participate so I can keep a good track of who's going to play. And again, since it's the end of March, you've got 2.5 months to do this. Now, when you finish, okay, and you need to send me your glamour shots or you're going to post your video to the YouTube, do me a favor. Don't post or don't send me your glamour shot until the end of March, okay? Because if you send it to me like next week, it's going to get lost in the email. All right? Just do me that favor if you would. And also, when you send me your glamour shot, please put in the title Luke's Challenge. That way there I'll know exactly what it's for. Then I can go in and download the picture, put it in a file, so when I do the recap, I'll know exactly where it is, and I'll change the name of it so I know what's going on. Now also, if you haven't sent me a logo before, if you got a logo, go ahead and send it to me. That way there I can give you the proper notoriety that you deserve for doing a build like this. Okay. I look forward to hearing from you. This is going to be a lot of fun, and you know what? Luke, you've just let your shotgun mouth overload your hummingbird butt. All right? So get that for what it's worth. Cheers. Let's have some fun with this. And good luck, Luke. Thank you for joining me today on Diecast Graveyard. We've got a lot more videos coming up in the future, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And thank you again for joining me here today. If there's something you'd like to see, put it in the comments. Thank you, and cheers.